division in binary. We are seeing multiplication, addition, and subtraction. If you are to divide, just like the way we normally divide the normal number by using long division method, where you have your divisor here, you have your number you want to divide inside this, then you divide. Okay, let's look at a sample under division in binary. Example under that, you can see simplify the following. Simplify the following. The first one, we have 10111 divided by 110 b 101010 divided by 111 divided by 111. They are all in base 2. Okay. To do that, we have a 10111 base 2. This one is base 2. Let's put base 2 there. Base 2 divided by 111 base 2. So 110 base 2. We are going to use long division method. So we put what we want to divide inside is 10111. So what we want to divide is 2 here 110. So the next thing is you are going to take the digit here to divide this. But if you look at this, you see here 110 here. If you take 3 digits here, look at 3 digits here. The 3 digits here you have here is more than the value of this is more than what you are having here. So this is more than, you are going to take 4 digits. But if the value you have here is less than what you have here, you take the same 3 digits. I'm talking about the number you want to use to divide it. If it's less than this 3 digits here, you will use the 3 digits. But 110 is more than 101. So we are going to make reference work with the 4 digits. So using this one to divide this, how many 110 can you find in 1011? You are going to get 1. Put that one here. How many one can you find there? You will get 1. 1 times this. You are going to now write the answer. 1,110. You are going to have 011. I'm writing it under the 4 because we are considering 4 digits. That's why I'm writing this one times this. I'm writing under the 4th digit, starting from here, because we are using this one to divide these first 4 digits, not this, not 3 digits. Assuming it's 3 digits, say 1 times this. I'm going to start writing it from here. Since it's 4 digits, we are subtracting it from 1 times 110 here. I will start writing 110 from the 4th digit. Okay. Next thing is let's subtract. 1 minus 0, you have 1. 1 minus 1, you have 0. So 0 minus 1 is not possible. Borrow 1 here, bring it here, turn to 2. 2 minus 1, you have 1. So the next thing is you will bring the next digit down. Bring the next digit down. The next digit here is 1. You bring it down like this. So you now see how many 110 can you find here? You are going to see 1. 1 times this, you are going to have 0, 1, 1. Then what will you do? You will subtract. Put minus here, subtract. 1 minus 0, you have 1. 1 from 1, you have 0. Borrow 1 here, bring it here. Give us what? Give us 2. 2 minus 1, you have 1. So the next thing is, there's nothing to bring down. We assume that there's nothing to bring down. That one will now make it to half a decimal point here like this. So assume that you bring 0 down here. I'm going to say that 1. Because since there's nothing to bring, you put decimal point. Then you put the value here. Now bring another 0 down. Just to add another, since there's something, just add 0 down. This one is you have 1. 1 times this, you now subtract. 0, 1, 1. Put minus here, subtract. 0 from 0, you have 0. 1 from 1, you have 1. Borrow 1 here, bring it here. If you bring it here, what do you have? You have 2. 1 from 2, you have 1. So the next one is you keep on. You assume that, okay, now see how many of this one you find in this one, you have 1 again. 1 times this. 1 times this, you have 1, 1, 0. Subtract. 0 from 0, 0. 1 from 1, 0. 1 from 1, 0. Since there's nothing remaining again, everything is 0, that's the final answer. So you can now say that 1, 0, 1, 1, 1 is 2 divided by 1, 1, 0 is 2. Your answer is 11.11 base 2. That's how to work, to divide in base 2. You can see that's how to divide in base 2. Okay, let's look at the second one. B. You have 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 base 2 divided by 1, 1, 1 base 2. Don't forget we are using long division method. So you are going to rule by this. You place this value inside this. You have 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Then this number you have 1, 1, 1. So if you are to divide, look at the digit very well. 1, 1, 1, 3 digits here. Look at 3 digits here. 1, 0, 1. The 3 digits here is not up to 3 digits here. So if you are dividing this one with this one, you are going to consider this 4 digits. But if the digit here is the same or less than this one, you consider only 3 digits. 3 digits. So therefore, if you are dividing, we are considering this 4. And you choose this one to divide this 4 digits. The first 4 digits. So 1, 1, 1 divided by this, you are going to get 1. Please, you always get 1. So 1 times this 1, 1, 1, you are going to get 1, 1, 1. Don't forget, you start writing your answer from the last digit of the 4 digit here, not from the third one. Then what the next thing? You subtract. Subtract. When you're subtracting, 0 minus 1 is not possible. Come here, borrow. When you borrow, turn to what? 2. You come to 2 here. 2 minus 1, you have 1. This one remains 0. So since it remains 0, you come here again to come and borrow. Borrow 1 here. You come here, turn to 2. Remove 1 from here. This one remains 1. Bring it here. The 1 turn to 2 again. So you have 2 here. 2 minus 1, you have 1. Why this place is what? 1. 1 minus 1, you have 0. So you have 0. So the rule is, mainly you have this. What are you going to do? Bring the next digit here. Bring it down. So you have 1 here. If you bring it down, use this one again to divide. This one divided by this one, you have 1. So 1 times this one, we are going to have 1, 1, 1. What's the next thing? Subtract. Subtract. We are subtracting. 1 from 1, you have 0. Here you have 0. Here you have 0. Here you have 0. So everything will give you 0. What's the rule? Bring the next digit down, 0. How many one can you find is 0 here? You are going to get 0. 0 times whatever you get here, you have 0, 0, 0. Subtract. Everything gives you 0. So since you give it 0 and there's no any number to bring down again, you stop. Once you get to 0, everything is giving 0 and no number again to digit again to bring down. The next one here, it will stop. Just like what we did here, when there's no any digit to bring down and your final answer is 0. So that means there's no remainder again. When there's no remainder again, you stop. So you can now say 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 divided by 1, 1, 1 base 2. Base 2. Your final answer will be 1. This is the answer. 1, 1, 0 base 2. So this is the answer. Just like the other time. When you divide this one with this, our final answer is this. That's why we have this one as our final answer. So this quotient here arrive to us as your answer when you use your divisor to divide the what? The dividend. This is your divisor, this is dividend, this is the quotient. So, okay, that is division in binary number. Division in binary number. Okay, let's just quickly look at one more example under division in binary number. Let's just quickly look at another example. One more example under division in binary number. So you divide 1010.01 by 11 base 2, giving your answer in 3 decimal place. Giving your answer in 3 decimal place. Giving your answer in 3 decimal places. 3 decimal places. Okay, let's have our log division method. Our log division method. Your divisor dividends will be 1010.01 and divisor we have 11. So when you are dividing 11 divided by this one, since this one is more than this, so we are going to take 3 digits. This one divided by this one, you are going to get 1. I'm talking about 3 digits. How many of this one can you get in this one? You always get 1. 1 times this, you are going to have 1, 1. The next thing, let's subtract. Put minus here. 1 minus 1, you have 0. So 0 minus 1 is not possible. Borrow 1 from here, turn to 2, bring it here. 2 minus 1, you have 1. So what is the next step? You bring the next digit down. So you bring 0 down like this. You bring it down. Then 1 divided by this, you have 1. 1 times this, you have 1. Subtract again. Borrow 1 from here, bring it here, turn to 2. So you remove 1 from that 2, remain 1. Bring that 1 here, turn to 2. 2 minus 1, you have 1. This one remain what? 1. 1 minus 1, you have 0. So the next thing here is you will now bring your decimal point. And if you have decimal point here, for your decimal points, they are the same thing too. You have decimal point here. See, this one cannot go here, then you bring the next digit here. If you bring the next digit, that's 101 like this. So if you now say how many this one can you find in this, you cannot go, you have 0. 0 times this, you have 0, 0. You subtract. 0 from 0, you have 0. 0 from 1, you have 1. Then the next thing is you bring the next digit down, which is this. This one in this, you now have 1 like this. 1 times this one, you have 1. Subtract. When you subtract 1 from 1, you have 0. So bring 1 in something here. Bring this 1 here, you have. If you bring this 1 here, you have 2. So if you bring this 1 here, you have 2. For that 2, you now say 2 minus 1, you have 1. So since you cannot go again, as soon as you borrow 1, 0 to it. This one in this one, you have 1. 1 times this one, you have 1. Subtract. You subtract the 1. This one, you come here, turn to 0. Turn to 2. Remove 1 from this, you turn to what? Bring it here, turn to 2. 2 minus 1, you have 1. This one remain 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Another 0 there. This one in this cannot go. 0 times this, 0, 0. And when you subtract, give you 0, 1. Then you now borrow 1 here. If you borrow, you put 0 here again. This one, in this one, you have 1. 1 times this is now having what? 1. subtract 2, 2, 1. This one remain 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So it's like you keep on having recurrent decimal, recurrent decimal, recurrent decimal. So therefore you can say that 1010.01 divided by 1 base 2 will give you what you want, 11.01101 base 2. So that is what we have under division and binary number. So for the purpose of this class, we need for the purpose of this class, you need to take the following for just for general evaluation exercise of what we've learned so far. Exercise. So exercise of what we want to add for you. So evaluate the following. Evaluate the following. Evaluate the following. Number 1, you have 10001. 10001 multiplied by 1. You plan this one under the multiplication. 2. You have 11001101 plus, that's under addition, plus 1111. Third one, you can have 1101101 minus 111. That's under subtraction. Okay. The first one is on multiplication. Second one is on addition. Third one is on subtraction. Why this last one here is division? That's we have 1111 divided by 110 is under division. So you can lay your hand on this and see, solve it and see if you understand what you've learned so far. This is where we come to the end of the class.